What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Did you ever do any necking in college? If your neck is important to you and you love your school, you might get a school logoed scarf like this. Now I picked this up. Look at that beautiful plaid color there in Northwestern purple, and what you might be able to see right there is we have the vintage Northwestern end. This is not the one that you'll see on kind of the sports and Wildcat material right now, but it also says reunion, and that's because I got a reunion coming up. And so I was pretty excited that they sent me this, and it's pretty nice, thick knit material sewn on the ends, solid purple on the ends here, and then plaid all the way around. And I will say, it's kind of nice, is we have ends on both ends. Ends on both ends. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna just show you here, because this thing is so long, you can wear it like this and kind of look like a preppy douche, which is exactly how I plan to wear it, with a pipe. But you can also throw it around your neck and actually use it in the winter. Now, my buddy Eddie is the kind of guy who likes, I don't know, going for fashion, but also functionality. So he likes folding it in half like this, putting it around his neck, and then sticking like this end through it, almost like you're choking yourself to death. But that does give you a nice tight seal, and especially if you're in Chicago, the windy city, and wind is whipping around, you're not gonna have to worry about it unraveling and blowing off on you. So, pretty cool. I like it. It's pretty nice. I don't really use a scarf. I'm not a scarf kind of guy, but I might just do this and wear it because I'm proud of the Northwestern colors. I'll put some links to some of my favorite Northwestern merch in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.